Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine, front loader washing machine, and on the display it's giving you an E61 error, and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So first of all, real quickly, this is a door lock assembly failure. So you might notice you try to start a cycle and the cycle never starts, and then it gives you this error. And that's because in order for the cycle to start, it needs to sense that the door is locked. And so if there's an issue here, then it's going to give you this error. So there's kind of like 3 steps that I would go through to fix this. Number 1 is just make sure there's nothing physically preventing the door from closing and locking properly, like any lint that's gotten built up or gunk or anything that's gotten built up within the little lock assembly can prevent it from working properly. And that's the easiest fix. You're just going to have to clean out and remove whatever. The next thing could be make sure things are mechanically working properly within here. And if there's something, maybe something just stuck, you might be able to get it loose and get it working again. If not, if something's broken, you can just replace the assembly. And by the same token, the wiring that goes to it, you might check and make sure that all the wiring is good. There are no disconnected or frayed wires or anything like that, and replace any wires as necessary.